I just finished getting ready. Let me show you my little outfit. And then I'm gonna be wearing this cherry red bag from a little pop of color, which I thrifted maybe like a couple months ago. But I'm going to go get coffee and going on a little thrifting date con mi amiga here in Dallas. She has been telling me she's interested in thrifting with me. I'm gonna take her to one of my favorite thrift stores here in Dallas. Hopefully le gusta. Thrift store in particular has really good deals, and it's pretty organized and slightly smaller than other thrift stores, so hopefully she doesn't get overwhelmed. Yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm gonna take you guys with us a ver qué encontramos at the thrift store. Here we are.
What a beautiful day. Would you wear this with a dress with the belt?
Oh, that would be cute. I like the color. See. There's a mirror over here.
You'll be alright.
Doesn't this look like Duvalin?
Hell no.
Oh, do you like this?
I think está muy transparente. Like, look. It's seeing my hand.
That's kind of expensive. $12.99.
Girl, find it under. Put your hands in like the bucket.
I know. But if you wear like, if it's like stretched out, if your butt's like popping, you'll be good.
Yeah, exactly. I'll be good. I mean, see.
I'll put it on the maybe pile.
See. That's how one gets. I feel like I would see you wear it.
Ready to check out. Les voy a enseñar rapidito what I bought at the thrift store. We found some really good deals. My friend ended up finding the cutest fur vest que tenía como dos manchitas, but I pre-treated her little fur vest before she left. So hopefully the little manchitas come out. I told her to let me know. She had to leave because she had plans to go out later tonight, so yeah. But I just got home. Just quería enseñar rapidito what I found at the thrift store. I found this beautiful cuadro. Look how gorgeous this is. Perfect for home decor, and it was $3.79. I found this super cute skirt, brand new with tag. This is Banana Republic. It's like a fuchsia color. This was $3.99. I didn't know if I like this or not because it kind of gives señora vibes. But I thought this would be cute with some kitten heels and like a little bolsa. ¿Qué piensan? Next, oh, and that was only $1.99. I also found this Victoria Holly 100% silk vintage dress. This one was $3.99. So cute. Super vintage. Love the color and the buttons. This was $1.99 and this is just a classic slip with beautiful lace on the side. And then last but not least, I found this 3-piece set for $129. What I liked was the blazer, pero déjame enseñarles. I think it's a skirt and a top that are clearly too big. And then the blazer. This is a size 22, but I absolutely love an oversized look. So I think this styled with something like this, pero mini. Like imagine, con una bolsita and some kitten heels. So cute. Anyways, that's it for my little thrift haul. Little gym OOTD. I'm doing a hair oil treatment on my hair. I'm actually going to stop at Marshall's. It's a Marshall Home Goods that's by the gym that I go to see if they have any storage containers for my bathroom vanity. That's gonna be a quick little pit stop before I do my workout. And then I also have to buy groceries, so grocery haul after the gym if I'm not starving. Let's go. Okay, I did not come for this, but look how cute this is. I've been looking for a picture. You guys, I'm already finding a whole bunch of stuff. I've been looking for a bath mat for my bathroom. I feel like this one is very simple, but the lines make it look kind of fancy. También I found these, which I would use for my bathroom door, and I could hang my robe and my towels on here. And then I'm trying to debate whether I need this or not. I kind of wanted this because I wanted to make iced tea in the summer, pero es plástico, so I don't know if I like that. The color is cute. Alright, so this is kind of what I was talking about for storage under the sink vanity. But these are $9.99 each. So this would be like $60. Que se me hace un poco caro. Oh my god, I found it. This is what I saw a couple weeks ago, pero no sé las medidas. But this would be perfect. And this is $24.99. Here at Lowe's, trying to see what color I want for the bathroom vanity. Leaning towards like a brownish mauvey color.
But that's why I keep telling you, it's like, no.
These are my selected options. These are so funny. So I wanted to show you guys really quick a little before and after of my guest bath. This is a little embarrassing, but así compré la casa. But the guest bath downstairs isn't bad. It's just the bathtub and the shower need a little love. So I ended up buying this caddy, and I don't know if I really like it because I did shower here while my bathroom upstairs was being remodeled, and I felt like it was kind of in the way. But anyways, the tub needs to be reglazed, and then there's a lot of cracking where the grout, or I don't know what that technically is called, lots of cracks everywhere, and it just looks a little unpleasant. But yeah, I bought a reglazing kit at Lowe's, so I bet how it turns out, and if it doesn't turn out that great, it can't look any worse than how it does already. So this is with the removal and sanding of the tub. Then removed the caulking. Little before. Getting ready to go get some barbecue. We're going to go to Cherry Black's, which is in Deep Ellum. Cherry Black's is one of my top places that I have eaten for barbecue. Me encanta. They have a really good sweet corn, so I'm super excited. Definitely recommend Cherry Black's, and Hutchins, I believe, is the name of the other one that have been my top barbecue spots here in the Dallas area. I've eaten at maybe like 7 places now that are specific for barbecue, and those are definitely my top 2. And I remember thinking like, oh, a lo mejor all the barbecue kind of tastes the same. You can't really go wrong making the barbecue. No. I forgot where I ate, what barbecue spot, como se llamaba, but the carne was so dry, so dry. So yes, you can have bad barbecue. So I'm here to let you know the good spots. And if you guys have any recommendations, of course, leave them down in the comments, because I'm always looking to check out new restaurants and food spots. Hi guys, me acabo de arreglar. This is my little OOTD. I signed up for a Latina Pilates class here in Dallas, so I'm super excited. So it looks like they host the Latinas Pilates once or twice a month, and the theme for this weekend is Colombia. On their Instagram, it was saying that it's the instructor's birthday this weekend, and she's from Colombia, so we're all gonna be dressed up in the colors of the Colombian, La Bandera de Colombia, red, blue, and yellow. And I think we're supposed to mix and match the colors, pero I don't have anything yellow, and I'm not gonna wear just red and blue. Excited and nervous at the same time. Nervous because I'm going by myself, and I know a lot of these type of things people like to take their friends, and yeah, I'm putting myself out there. I'm going alone. Believe it or not, I still struggle with social anxiety. So these are the type of things that if you guys ever have something that you want to work on or something that you struggle with, I feel like the best way to get over it and I got a text, is to put yourself in uncomfortable situations and challenge you and force you out of that comfort zone. So I'm excited because it's gonna be fun. I know I love exercising. It's gonna be all Colombian artists like Carol G, and so I know it's gonna be such a good vibe. But I think it's the initial entering the class, everybody talking to each other, and you're just kind of like, hi. But yeah, that's why I llevar conmigo. Hopefully, I'm gonna bring like a little tiny, have like a really mini tripod that is just literally like the little patitas, and it's like this short. And hopefully I can set it up. I also don't want to make people feel uncomfortable. So I'm gonna see how the vibe is, and then I'll see if I vlog once I'm in there or not. I just got to the
Now it's in your face. Really?
Align option to bring that on up overhead if you'd like. Pull your belly in towards the toes. Beautiful. 2. And place those toes on that ankle. Here we go. Up. Bring it down. Slide. Lift. And lower. Yeah. Let's go ahead and bring it onto our back. So just flip over onto our backs here. 1. Bring it back out. And then we add a little leg lift. All right. Keep that core pulled in. Twist. Inhale. And lift. Inhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, lift. Toes in 1. Beautiful. Send those glutes towards the heels.
You guys, the Pilates class was so much fun. It was funny because there was only 2 people that wore yellow. I think yellow is not very common for workout clothes, or I haven't really seen that much workout stuff in yellow. But anyways, didn't talk to anybody. I know. I'm so annoyed. I did not talk to anybody. I feel like it's just a little awkward approaching people. Like, I don't want to come off as desperate or fake, so I think I just overthink things. When I tell you I am like socially awkward a little bit, because sometimes no. I ended up buying merch after the class. They have the cutest little tote bags. Super cute. They only accepted cash, so thankfully I had brought my dolaritos. I need to give myself enough grace porque fui and I was out of my comfort zone, pero fui. This is a little update on the color of the vanity and how it turned out after I painted it. It looks so good. It matches really well with the countertops, which is why I originally wanted to keep the vanity, because it's almost like a really warm cream. So originally the paint that I bought at Lowe's was way too pink, and so I went again and I saw off to the side of the paint section they had these discounted little buckets. No paint that I bought for the little container was casi $20, and then the ones that were discounted on the side, those were $7 each. So I was like, let me just buy one of these, and if I don't like it, at least it's not another $20 that I spent. And I really love the color. It could have been slightly lighter, pero I think with the floor, it just goes really well. What do you guys think? The next step is to switch out the faucets for gold. Y luego también le quería agregar these little piedritas that I had installed on the side. I also wanted to do them on the side of my bathtub, kind of to make it more of a spa-like vibe, pero yeah.